Alright, today we are going to build a shortcut that allows us to make custom GIFs from video that you have on your iPad without needing to use any extra third-party tool. So first thing I'm going to do once I'm in my Shortcuts app is I'm going to hit that plus sign at the top part of the screen. So now that I have it open, I can go ahead and start adding parts. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search for on the side, and I'm going to search for select photos. Then I can go ahead and drag it over. I could also just tap it. I like the drag though. So I'm going to go ahead and say show more. And now under where it says include, I'm going to tap on that. And I'm actually going to get rid of images and live photos because I only want to see videos because I'm making GIFs out of them. So I'm going to say done. I'm going to leave off where it says select multiple because I just want to have one video to make one GIF. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to search for trim media. And so I went ahead and grabbed that. And because I put it underneath, as you can see, it made a little line there too. It automatically connected the photo that I'm selecting. It needs to be trimmed. So that was a super easy step. Now I'm going to go say make GIF. And now I'm going to go ahead and drag that over next. And again, since I'm putting it in a row, it automatically is connecting that thing that I trimmed now needs to be made a GIF, right? So I'm going to go ahead and hit show more. So I have a few options here. I'm going to leave loop forever and auto size on, but what I want to do is I want to change the seconds per photo. So what I prefer to either use is 0.1 or 0.05. The smaller the number, the higher quality the GIF, but also the larger the size of the file. So I would either say either 0.1 or 0.05. I normally use 0.05. Alright, now the last thing we want to do is add a quick look. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And so if I say show more, I want to then have it say full screen. Okay, I have already built this GIF, but one thing I need to do is I need to touch the meatball menu up here, the three dots, and I need to name it. So we're going to say videos to GIF. Alright, and then I could choose if I want to add to my home screen. I could change kind of what it looks like here, so let's go ahead and add something else. Perfect. Alright, and then I can go ahead and say done. Alright, now to run it, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So to run it within here, when I'm looking at it, it shows me kind of where it's at in each process. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the play sign on the top right. So now I can select some sort of a photo, or a video. So I selected a video, and now I can move. This is where the playhead is, but I'm going to now move the sides to actually trim. Okay, and then once I have where I'm going to use, I'm going to say use. All right, now it's processing it as a GIF, and then here it is. So here it is as a GIF, not as the video. And then what I could do, then if at the top right I hit share, that can allow me to say, send that in messages or to save it as an image to my iPad or whatever I need to do with it. I could just send it straight there. So I'm going to go ahead just for now, just say save image since I'm not sending it to anyone, and then hit done. And I'm all done, and I have that quickly built a shortcut for taking a video and making a GIF without using any other third-party apps.